Hi you guys, Ambrosia here, and I'm so excited to be able to share this project with you guys finally. You know, it's so hard to be able to reveal some of the projects I'm working on because most of them are a surprise. So this is a custom ring that we redesigned from an old inherited family heirloom. And you know, I love redesigning old jewelry because there is so much history, so many stories behind the piece. And so this piece was inherited by Kevin of Nebraska, and he has an amazing story. If I remember right, it was his great-grandmother's piece, and originally it was from a brooch where there was numerous diamonds and gemstones all set into this brooch that they brought to America when their family originally started here. And so he inherited several pieces, and years ago his dad took a diamond and a couple of garnets and set it into this old ring. So immediately when I saw the ring, I knew that these gemstones could be showcased so much better. With nugget style rings, they are known for having all of this gold that just wraps over on top of the diamonds or gemstone. It makes those stones look so much smaller than what they are because you have so much material, so much gold that wraps over top. And so I wanted to be able to take those diamonds and gemstones out and be able to really showcase its natural beauty. So before I get started, I just want to say thank you for everyone who has been following my crazy adventure all over the country as I'm building this business, seeing all the behind the scenes of redesigning, custom designing jewelry. So if you love this video, make sure to click share because you know what? You have friends and family who would love seeing this as well. Working with Kevin and Christine, they really didn't have any ideas of what we could do with this ring. You know, it's so hard to get past the way that the ring originally looks. You know, my ability is I can see right past the ugliness and I can imagine how beautiful it can be. Well, I was a little surprised when we removed the garnets. I knew that they were already in a rough shape, usually because of the age of the gemstones. I know that there's gonna be a lot of wear and tear that was happen on the surface of the stones. And so when we removed them, I was a little surprised that these are most likely were hand cut, especially how old they are, because they didn't have like a perfect round shape. They had weird different facets from every angle. Even the bottom was like a weird curve from every single angle. So it was a very unique project to figure out how are we gonna set these garnets to not only protect them, but make them look better too. So when I was working with Kevin and Christine, we did a lot of sketches, some different ideas, and then finally they fell in love with a ring that I designed a couple years ago as an engagement ring. They loved the overall style. It was very vintage, had lots of engraved details, and they loved kind of that crown, that halo shape around the main diamond. After seeing a few other pictures that they found online, we kind of combined all of these ideas as inspiration and custom designed this beautiful engraved kind of vintage style of ring. So once it came to the 3D computer model, I am so happy that Kevin and Christine kind of relied on me, really trusted my judgment because I played around with it as I was going. I added a lot of engraved details, lots of beading or filigree, and then we decided to add a couple of diamonds on the sides just to give it a little bit more sparkle and a little bit more interest in the overall shape. So with a lot of cleaning and a little bit of polishing, we were able to bring so much life back into those garnets. Make them look like almost the day that they were originally cut. The nice thing about this ring is that it was made to be worn. I made sure that those garnets are nice and protected. Even the main diamond is set a little bit lower to be able to provide this comfortable fitting because all of my jewelry I want to be able to wear every single day. So I wanted to make sure that this ring was comfortable, had lots of detail, it was truly unique and something that Kevin and Christine would be proud to show off. So as you guys can see, the before and after photos is just a complete transformation. Another redesign project in the books that I just absolutely love. Add a little bit of Ambrosia magic and it completely changes a ring.